Hello everybody and welcome back. I come back with a different topic today. We are doing integration and we'll be looking at identities and some questions on reduction formulae. Alright, so today we have question number 4 and we are given this reduction formulae. When you go far down there you will find an identity. So I will just try and answer 4.1 and 4.2, and then the 4.3 will come in a separate and a different video on that one. Ne? Okay, so with that being said, let us get into the problem at hand. So we are given this reduction formula. The first question says simplify the reduction. We are given the tangent of pi plus 180 degrees. Okay, first and first, what is pi? Pi is an angle that is given to us in radians. Ne? So pi radians, it is equals to 180 degrees. So this is a direct substitution. Wherever you see pi, just substitute by 180 degrees. So for this question here, the tangent of pi plus a, it is the same as having what? It is the same as having the tangent of 180 degrees plus a. Now 180 degrees plus a is a reduction formula in the third quadrant. And in the third quadrant, according to our cast rule, tangent is positive in the third quadrant. So the tangent of 180 degrees plus a is the same as the tangent of a. We have simplified that one. So that one mark there, it is ours. So we managed to get that one mark. Ne? Now the next question is then simplify 4.1.2. It says simplify the tangent of pi plus a, cos of 180 minus a, the sine of 360 and the sine of 2 pi plus a. So what I'm going to do here and how I'm going to write it, I'm going to write it in degrees form. Everything that is written in pi radians, I will write it as it has already been converted. So we'll start with our tangent. Ne? So our tangent, I'm going to write it as 180 degrees plus a multiplied by cos. Ne? Cosine arena is going to be 180 degrees minus a. And then you have sine. Sine is going to be the sine of 360 degrees minus a. I don't have space there. And then everything here is being divided by the sine of 2 pi. How much is 2 pi? 2 pi is going to be 360 degrees plus 360 degrees plus a. Now let's simplify. The tangent of 180 degrees plus a, we have already simplified it. It's in the third quadrant, so tangent is positive in the third quadrant. So I'm going to express this as the tangent of a. Multiply by the cosine of 180 minus, it's in the second quadrant. And in the second quadrant, only sine is positive. Therefore, cos is going to be negative. So I'm going to have negative cosine of a. Multiply by 360 degrees minus a, it's in the fourth quadrant. We are here. So in the fourth quadrant, cos is the only one that is positive, but here we are given sine. So that means this sine is going to be negative sine of a. And then you divide everything by the sine of 360 degrees plus a. Remember, the whole rotation here is 360 degrees. When I say plus a, it means that it throws me into the first quadrant. So that means sine is going to be positive. So 360 degrees plus a is in the first quadrant. So the sine of 360 degrees plus is going to be sine a, which is positive. Now tangent is a quotient identity which can be written as the sine of a divided by the cosine of a. Multiply by, look at this negative sign and this negative sign, they multiply each other, giving me a positive value. So that means cos and sine, they multiply each other. So that means here I'll have cos a multiplied by sine a, and then I divide everything by what? By sine a. You will notice that cos is in the numerator and this one is in the denominator. So this one and this one, they cancel out. But sine and sine here, they will multiply each other. So I will have sine squared of A divided by sine of A. So what's happening in my numerator? I have sine multiplied by sine, which is sine A. So that means there are two sines in the numerator. So one sine and this sine are going to divide against each other, and then I will end up with only having what? Having sine A. If you want to visualize how I got the sine A, you can just simply take it from here and say that this sine and this sine, they divide. Therefore, I'm left with this one here, which is this one here. And that, boys and girls, is how you simplify 4.1.1 and 4.1.2. It's a simple, straightforward reduction formulae. Catch me in the next video as we observe 4.2. Thank you very much.